Mag-compare pa tayo ng tenses. I printed all the files yesterday versus I had printed all the files before the ink ran out. So sa una, meron tayong printed, which is simple past. And dito naman sa pangalawa, meron tayong had printed, which is past perfect. Now, kailan natin gagamitin yung simple past lang at kailan natin gagamitin yung past perfect. We know na magsisimple past tayo kapag meron tayong past time indicator, gagaya nito, yesterday. So, ibig sabihin yung action nangyari in the past. Now, dito sa pangalawa, gumamit na tayo ng past perfect. And again, kapag perfect, ibig sabihin prior, before. So, before the past, ang past perfect. So, itong past perfect natin, nakapag-print ka na, dapat nangyari to before another past action, which is yung pagkawala ng tinta. So, ibig sabihin, nakapag-print ka na bago pa man mag-run out yung ink. Kaya hindi tayo gumamit ng simple past dito kasi ang emphasis natin, yung focus natin ay nandun sa sequence ng actions. Ang mahalagang masabi mo is na-print mo na bago nawala yung ink. Kaya ka nag-past perfect.